Welcome to Guangzhou. As the morning breaks, the city wakes up, busy yet still peaceful, with the enticing aroma of morning tea filling the air. The Pearl River winds through the city like an emerald ribbon, wrapping around it gently, with a combination of old and new creates a uniquely captivating scene. That towering structure in front of you, with a slender middle section, is the Canton Tower, affectionately known as the Slim Waist, a name derived from its unique, streamlined design that tapers in the middle and expands at both ends. The main body of the tower is 450 meters tall, and an antenna mast adds another 150 meters, bringing its total height to 600 meters. When the tower was completed, it was the tallest building in China, and it still ranks among the world's tallest towers today. A Ferris wheel stands at 454 meters above the ground, making it feel as though walking among the clouds is within easy reach. The revolving restaurant on the 108th floor skillfully combines stunning views of both sides of the Pearl River with delicious cuisine. As night falls, the LED lights on the tower change colors with the seasons. Its silhouette stands out distinctively in the darkness, shining brightly like an illuminated silver pillar rising from the sea of lights on the river's south bank. The Ferris wheel, towering at 454 meters, features transparent cabins glowing in a warm yellow hue. It rotates slowly, transforming the city's nightscape into a canvas of moving patterns of light and shadow. Guangzhou is called the capital of Chinese cuisine and international capital of cuisine. The city is known for a variety of dishes, where the Cantonese cuisine combines various international influences. Stretching across the Pearl River like a steel rainbow, the Lieta Bridge connects the Tianhe and Haizhu districts. With its butterfly design and gleaming white twin towers, it is one of the most beautiful bridges not only in the city, but throughout the country. Above, vehicles flow continuously toward the urban center, while below, the calm waters of the Pearl River witness the transformation of its banks from urban villages into a modern metropolis. Over 2,000 years ago, this area was already a bustling port, and today, giant vessels at Nansha Port continue the legacy of the Maritime Silk Road. Guangzhou takes pride in its history as the first port open to foreign trade. As the last rays of sunlight glide over the top of the Canton Tower, the story of the city unfolds. It is home to impressive skyscrapers while still maintaining a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Whether you live here long-term or visit for a short time, you'll be captivated by its unique charm.